Welcome to this Visual Studio tutorial for beginners. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of creating a C# MVC web application using Visual Studio 2022. Whether you're new to programming or just new to Visual Studio, this tutorial will help you get up to speed. Let's dive in. First, let's install Visual Studio 2022. Click on Create a new project. Select ASP.NET Core Web Application and click Next. Configure your project. Name, example, MVC demo app, location, and solution name. Choose .NET Core and ASP.NET Core 5.0 or later. Select the web application, Model View Controller, template. click Create.
Visual Studio will set up your MVC project and open the main editor. Let's explore the structure of an MVC project. Expand the Solution Explorer to show controllers, views, and models folders. Controllers handle user input, views display data, and models manage data. Open a view file, example index.html, and explain the basics of Razor syntax. Understanding the structure of an MVC project is crucial for effective development. Now, let's add some functionality to our MVC application. Modify the index action in homecontroller.ease to return a simple message. Update the index view to display this message. Show how to run the application using the Start button or pressing F5. Running the application will open a web browser displaying Hello MVC. Let's add a new feature to our MVC application. Add a new model, product.es, in the Models folder. Add a new controller, productscontroller.es, in the Controllers folder. create a corresponding view for the list action, list view, in the Views Products folder. Show how to navigate to the product's /list URL to see the product list. Adding new features involves creating new controllers, actions, and views, and sometimes new models. Next, let's look at basic debugging. Set a breakpoint in one of your controller actions. Run the application in debug mode, F5. Explain the debug toolbar, locals window, and call stack. Show how to step through code, F10, F11. Debugging is an essential part of development, and Visual Studio provides powerful tools to help you. You can customize Visual Studio to fit your workflow. Go to Tools Options, show themes and color schemes, adjust font sizes and other settings, explain extensions, and show how to install one, example, a popular coding theme or tool. That's a wrap! You've learned the basics of creating a C# MVC web application with Visual Studio 2022. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Happy coding!